Welcome again to Let's Learn Garifuna, Aprendamos Garífuna. This is a series of educational videos designed with people who want to learn how to learn to read and speak Garifuna like me. In this lesson, we will learn about demonstratives and relative pronouns, prepositions with object pronouns, and other prepositions. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions on what subjects you would like us to develop a lesson on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video to improve our algorithms and grow more. Bienvenidos nuevamente a Let's Learn Garífuna, Aprendamos Garífuna. Esta es una serie de videos educativos diseñados con personas que quieren aprender a leer y hablar garífuna como yo. En esta lección aprenderemos sobre demostrativos y pronombres relativos, preposiciones con pronombres de objetos y otro tipo de preposiciones. Siéntase libre de dejar su comentario y sugerencia sobre los temas de los que le gustaría que desarrollemos una lección. No se olvide de suscribirse a este canal y darle like a este video para mejorar nuestros algoritmos y crezcamos más rápido. Vaya, another, one more, otro, otra, uno más, una más. Adunraguni, meeting, reunion. Aguyu, home, homeward, hogar, rumbo a casa. Alagudahoni, question, pregunta, cuestión. Durari, cloud, nube. Durugu, truck, camión. Fanidira, flag, bandera. Fedu, celebration, celebración, fiesta. Fiaduru, dólar, quetzal, lempira. Fulenu, full moon, luna llena. Gawanu, cent, centavo. Halia Badibu, where are you going? ¿A dónde vas? Hati, moon, luna. Kawegi Biabi Meriga, why did you come to America? ¿Por qué viniste a los Estados Unidos? Karu, car, carro. Kemo, let's go. Vamos. Lafuachu, weyu, sunrise, amanecer. Lalutu, weyu, sunset, atardecer. Nebuga aguyo, I'm going home, voy a casa. Niabi abeluha nitu, I came to visit my sister. Vine a visitar a mi hermana. Seinsu, money, dinero. Uraga, story, cuento, relato. Uremu, song, canción. Waruguma, star, estrella. Weyu, sun, day, sol y día. Ya, here, aquí. Abelaguda, to introduce, presentar, presentarse. Abudaha, to pick up, recoger, levantar. Abugaha, to drive, manejar. Abulieida, to forget, olvidar. Adeira, to find, to discover, encontrar, descubrir. Adunragua, to meet, to encounter, conocer, reunirse. Afidira, to put, to set, poner, colocar, fijar. Aganawa, to dwell, to reside, residir, vivir, morar. Aluguraha, to sell, vender. Anuga, to bring, traer, llevar. Ariaha, to search, buscar. Aritagua, to think, remember, pensar, recordar. Arumuga, to sleep, dormir. Asariaha, to celebrate, celebrar. Eremuja, to sing, cantar. Ka, kate, what, who, que, quién. Hagei, where is he? ¿En dónde está él? Hagon, where is she? ¿En dónde está ella? Hagaña, where are they? ¿En dónde están ellos? Halia, where? ¿En dónde? Kawagu, why? ¿Por qué? Ida, how? ¿Cómo? Atiri, how many? ¿Cuántos? Idame, when? ¿Cuándo? Grammar, demonstratives. These can be used as demonstratives and relative pronouns. Note that feminine singular forms are used for inanimate singular and plural objects, such as ha and hara, and haguta are plural forms used for people and animals. Demonstratives follow the noun they modify. For example, masculine le, feminine to, which means this. Masculine lira, feminine tura, that. Masculine ligita, feminine tuguta, that over there. Ha is these, hara is those, and haguta, those over there. Examples. Hanichigutu irahu to. This girl is smart. Hanichigutu irahu tura. That girl is smart. Hanichiguti irahu ligita. That boy over there is smart. Hanichigutinya irahu nyu ha. These boys are smart. And so on and so forth. Prepositions with object pronouns. Prepositional phrases with object pronouns are formed by adding the pronominal prefixes to the prepositions. Below are commonly used prepositional phrases. Notice that the first and the third person plural sometimes change the declension pattern slightly. Nouns for inanimate objects often have the same form for both singular and plural. Weru, for example, which is a masculine noun meaning a drinking glass or glasses. In using prepositions with inanimate nouns, the singular third person feminine F formed is used for both singular and feminine and the plural form, i.e., for example, lida weru means in a glass, and tida biama weru means in two glasses. Plural forms are for people. For example, first person nu, to me, which is a singular, and then won, to us, is plural. Second person is boom, to you, hun, to you all. Third person is lu, to him, hone, to them. Third person is tune, for her. Another example will be nuagu, on me, wawagu, on us, buagu, on you, huagu, on you all. And we continue with the examples. The first person of nuagun with an N is towards me, wawagun, towards us. Second person would be buagun, towards you, huagun, towards you all. Luagun again, towards him, hawagun, towards them. And then for third person female, tuagun, towards her. And then the other example would be narigi, after me, warigi, after us, and so on and so forth. So continue practicing these sentences so you could get familiar with them. Nubaragien is the next one. Before me. Wabaragien, before us. Bubaragien, before you. Hubaragien, before you all. Third person male would be lubaragien, before him. Habaragien, before them. And then third person feminine, tubaragien, before her. Let's look at the first person of nida, in me. Wada in us. Second person, bida in you. Hida in you all. Third person, male. Lida in him. Hada on them. Third person, female. Tida on her. And then we look at the next word would be numagien from me. Wamagien from us. Bumagien from you. Humagien from you all. Okay, now first person of nigibugien in front of me. Wagibugien in front of us. Second person bigibugien in front of you. Higibugien in front of you all. Third person male. Ligibugien in front of him. Hagibugien in front of them. Third person feminine would be tigibugien. And then the next example would be nogien, above or beyond me. Wogien, above us. Also, second person bogien, above or beyond you. Hogien, above you all. Other prepositions include abu, with, possessing, wagu, about, concerning, on, or for. Abugien, under. Arigien, behind. Uba, before or earlier. Au, by means of, with. Way, from, away, from. Idagien, through, from him, from within. Now let's get busy and do lesson 5 exercises, page 85 through 94. Hacer su lección.
Subscribe, like, and share. Suscríbete, dale like y comparte.
Donate to this project by scanning this code from Cash App. Also, if you don't have Cash App, we take PayPal. We also have a learning tool called the Garifuna Language Workbook, which is available on Amazon. Look it up under Garifuna Language Workbook.